Philadelphia soft pretzels. Okay, here's the flour that's in the bowl. It's 4.5 cups. We're going to put it on our KitchenAid mixer with our dough hook. We are going to add our water, our sugar, salt. Then we're going to start mixing slowly on speed 1. We're going to add our yeast and our melted butter. We're going to mix that on low speed, number 1, for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes since we mixed it on low speed. The dough started to pull away from the bowl, as you can see. We have one nice ball of dough there. Now we're going to start the mixer again, and we're going to mix on medium, which is a number 2 speed, for about 5 minutes to develop the dough. Okay, so that was about another minute on the mixer. We're going to pull the dough off. We're going to bring it over here to our cutting board, and we're just going to kind of round the dough. Make sure it's nice and round. We have another bowl here that we have the flour in. We're just going to put a couple dribbles of olive oil in there just to coat the dough so it won't stick. Okay. We're going to cover with plastic wrap. I like to tie it just to make sure that it stays sealed. And then we're going to put it somewhere warm to let proof. It's going to double in size. So the dough should be to the top of the bowl by the time it is ready for the next step. Okay, the dough doubled in size. We're going to pull it out of the bowl. And then we're going to cut it into portions. We cut it into strips like this. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. That's good. Okay, we're going to put some pan spray onto a sheet pan with some parchment paper. I already have some pretzels rolled out. We're going to put these on the sprayed parchment paper. And you can see how I roll one out. Take my portion, just roll it out into a length about the size of a pretzel stick, and we cross it like that. One more twist and pinch. That's your pretzel. I'll show you one more time. Roll the dough out to about the thickness of a pretzel rod. Go like that. One more twist and push. Okay? Cut it. Whisk the egg, and the egg wash is going to go on top of the pretzel. Just want to show that you have to whip it and aerate, put some air into the egg and mix the egg yolk and egg white together. Should look like that when it's done. Okay, you got 10 cups of boiling water, and we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of baking soda. Now we're going to add our pretzels, and it's about 30 seconds on each side. Put it in. them over. I'm going to flip them over again and pull them out. I'm going to put them on this rack here so the water drains off the pretzel. Okay, and you're going to repeat that process for all the pretzels. Okay, so now we put the pretzels back on our parchment paper that's sprayed, and now we're just wiping, brushing the egg wash onto the pretzel. Okay, and we want to make sure it's on the sides and everywhere. It's coated. You have a nice coating on the pretzel with the egg wash, and then we're going to take the pretzel salt, and we are going to just shake some pretzel salt onto the pretzels, and that's depending on how much salt you like. You can do some without salt. You could do some with cinnamon sugar if you wanted to. That makes a kind of a sweet pretzel if you have some type of dipping sauce. Okay, and then we're going to put these into a 450-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, this is them after 10 minutes, so we're going to spin them in the oven here. And we're going to set the timer for 12 more minutes. That would be 22 minutes total. Okay, so the timer just went off. And there's the pretzels. Okay, then we're going to remove them, and we're going to put them on cooling racks so they stay crispy. They're a little warm. See, that's what the bottom looks like. Okay, nice and crisp. Okay, we'll let these cool for about 15 minutes, and then you can enjoy.